Hello, I'm Silver from TulsaSportBikeRiders.com. Today, we'll be going over some of the more common motorcycle hand signals known the world over. Let us begin. Left turn. Right turn. Stop. Slow down. Speed up. The popo is in the vicinity. That soccer mom almost merged into me. You left your turn signal on again, you idiot. I don't know. I'm lost too. I don't have a GPS. Oh my God, hi to you. Cool guy, what's up? Please quit texting your besties and keep your eyes on the road. I have a cramp in my leg. I'm crashing. Time for a quick recap. Left, right, stop, slow down, speed up, popo, soccer mom, blinker, I don't know. Oh my God, hi to you. What's up? Quit texting. Ow, cramp. Crashing.
Can I go pee now?